Today, we're diving into the glow transition, an elegant way to add a dreamy cinematic vibe to your videos. Let's get started. First, ensure you have two clips on your timeline placed back to back. Head over to the effects library in the top left corner of the edit page. Navigate to video transitions and search for glow transition. Drag and drop the glow transition between your clips. Play it back and you'll see a soft glowing effect during the transition. To fine tune the effect, click on the transition in the timeline and head to the inspector. Adjust the gain to increase or decrease the brightness of the glow and tweak the glow scale to control how far the glow spreads. If you want to add a creative twist, experiment with the red scale, blue scale, or green scale sliders. These allow you to introduce a subtle tinter to the glow, making it warmer, cooler, or more vibrant during the transition. Finally, if you want a slower or faster glow effect, drag the edges of the transition in the timeline to adjust its duration. And there you go. You've created a beautiful glow transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.